In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. Whether you're working on a sleek email campaign or simply trying to make your content pop, learning how to control the layout and spacing of your text is an important skill. Proper indentation can improve readability, guide your audience's attention, and add that professional polish to your emails. Mailchimp is a fantastic tool for creating and managing email campaigns, but some formatting tweaks like text indentation aren't immediately obvious. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently indent text in your emails and create clean, visually appealing layouts. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Open your browser, head over to Mailchimp's website, and sign in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, navigate to the Campaigns tab, which you'll find in the main menu bar at the top of the screen. Once you're in the Campaigns section, click on All Campaigns. This will give you a list of all the campaigns you've created so far. Now, you have two options. If you've already started working on a campaign and want to add indentation to an existing email, simply scroll through your list of campaigns and click on the name of the one you want to edit. If you're creating a brand new email, go ahead and click the Create button to start a new campaign. Either way, once you've selected your campaign, you'll need to click the Edit Design button. This will open up Mailchimp's visual editor, which is where you can make all the magic happen with your email layout. Once you're inside the editor, locate the specific text block you want to modify. You can do this by clicking directly on the text block you want to change. If you haven't added a text block yet, no problem. Just drag and drop a new text block into your layout. Once you've selected your text block, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the block. Now, here's where we get into the coding part. But don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. In the toolbar, you'll see a button that looks like a pair of angle brackets, often represented as this is the code button. Click on it and Mailchimp will open up an HTML editor for the text block you're working on. In the HTML editor, look for the opening paragraph tag, which will look something like P. This tag marks the beginning of the text you want to modify. To add an indentation, you'll need to insert a small piece of code inside this opening tag. Simply type style margin left 50 pcalcs within the tag. So it looks like this, P style margin left 50 pcalcs. The 50 pcalcs in this code determines how much indentation you're adding. You can adjust this number to make the indentation wider or narrower, depending on your preference. For example, if you want a deeper indentation, you might increase the value to 80 pcalcs or 100 pcalcs. If you want a smaller indentation, you could reduce it to 20 pcalcs. This flexibility allows you to customize the look of your text exactly the way you want it. Once you've made your changes, it's important to preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Click the preview button in the editor to see how your email will appear to your audience. Take a moment to check how the indentation looks on different devices like desktop and mobile to ensure it displays correctly across the board. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and save your changes within the editor. This will apply the new formatting to your text block. After saving, close the text block to return to the main design view of your email, and there you have it. You've successfully indented text in your Mailchimp email campaign with just a few simple steps. You can take your email layout to the next level and make your content stand out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.